and then you're gonna key it for 30 seconds. Okay. And we're gonna do this foil right here on the collection 20. I love this one. They have so many, it's fun in there that you can play with. I'm gonna go ahead and trim part of it. This one's really a cool scissors. I love this. I have all different kind on the drawer. Look at another scissors on the drawer. So this one is really perfect when you're even using it for trimming the tips on the nails. This, I have this, but this is nothing to compare to this. This is so sharp and it just cut it so straight and sharp. All right. I have this one right there. I just play randomly. Oh God. I think I just accidentally make a little crease there. Probably it's not gonna make any difference because I'm gonna do some fusioning on it. It's just me so OCD. Using the other ends of a tweezer to blend, to rub it thoroughly. Let's see. Oh, it looks good. Trying for everything. Little crease right here because I'm gonna place it on, but you can't see it. Great, so now I am going to using a matte. I don't have the other premiums matte top coat here, but I can't. Give me 1 second. I'll be right back. So this is the premium matte top coat. I'm gonna show you, and it's gonna make it look really sweet matte. Sorry, let me move this so it won't be too busy on this background. And the matte supposed to look cloudy like this. It's not supposed to be like super crystal clear like our super shiny top coat. All right, here for 60 seconds, everyone. Okay. All right, so let's see. We are going to using Burning Heart. I will share with you. I don't know, probably I dropped that so many times from my. It doesn't look good. I think I just dropped it. I'm gonna show you just doing with the one colors. You don't have to be like zillion colors of this. You can do one colors of fusion ink to make it really nice and super simple, easy. All I need is this two color Burning Heart and Crystal Clear. After 60 seconds of that keying, this is a look if you are just first time tuning in or just tuning in now. This is a two look that we did. The Transfer Foils set number 20th, and then Dragon Scale, the newest collections in 2020. I love this. Second nails we did blossom gels, and we did chains and 3D stone and crystals. Okay, let's put it on this side. And oh, look at this. Looks cool. It's hard to for you to seeing it, but different experience when you doing the premiums matte top coat is different. It's like It not even like it's matte, soy matte, and it doesn't even have any streaky at all. The same with the white one, but this one is different. Like after you get to experience it yourself, it's hard for me to explain it how it's like gonna feel. So I'm gonna go ahead and using I need a piece of paper. Next one, Burning Heart, and just need a piece of paper right there, so then I can work with my crystal clear. Okay. Looks so weird, but I'm gonna leave it alone and let it set, and I will go into with the crystal clears, but wait until it dry first because it's still wet. I did apply maybe as a 2 or 3 coats already. My crystal clear. Oh, Tony, where do you, she's asked a question, may I ask where do you find the scissors? Tony, you can find this scissors and all the tweezers from our official website at glitzaccessoryandsuch.com. Hey, Brad's sharing something. All right, now we're gonna go in. And just dab it in. And wipe it off right in the piece of paper. So it's gonna have a really cool background look of the foyer. Also, it have the cool background of the veins. I don't know how it's gonna look. It's the first time I'm gonna try this one. Well, I mean, we do a lot of fusioning, but it's the first time we're trying on the top of this like a background like this. I think we did an other background. We did a lot of like other chamfer foil on the top of foil, fusioning on the top of foils, and chromes, I think. If you feel like you apply too much of the crystal clear, just tap it on the piece of paper towels, so then it's absorbing it all of the excess crystal clear for you. It looks different. Cool though. Okay, I'm gonna stop right here because I am going to add some silver, shimmering silver on it. Gel painting, gel painting. Okay, right there. You can do a foil though. Do you want to see me doing a veins foil? Maybe we should do a veins foil, should we? No? Shimmering silver. I don't know how long that take you to go through this part, but this is a lot, this part. Hey, Barca, you still there? You be shouting out, Nancy. Oh, thanks so much, Tony. All right, so I'm gonna using. Hey, Maya. Hey, Sonia. Oh, I can hear the fireworks. Like, let me see if I can catch up with. Sarah, if Sarah going live today, because I think I asked her, but then I didn't see your comment because I was so behind, I guess. I didn't put any black on this background of the veins because we want to be in the same theme at black, white, and blue. Red, white, and blue, I'm sorry. All right, I'm gonna flash clear this one for 30 seconds. Now, let's looking for some of the butterflies. I'm gonna get the white, the brighter one. I might do that one. There's a white butterflies. Sarah did something really cool with this butterflies. If you missed that video, you can always be watching it in that video how she like enhances cute butterflies by using a gel painting. Make sure to check out her IGTV, nails by Sarah Deshoy. This one's a lot of clients love it, but I might do some whites one. Let's see, I found some whites right there. Oh, I might get the hollow one. Should I? Get another one. And smaller one. Hopefully this one is smaller. You can see me. I need some star though. Let's go right there. Right there. And here is, and if you want this to be like glow in the dark, if you're being out, I know if any of the states it can be out, and there are glow in the dark star in one of the stickers. I'm gonna show you right now.